non-crust, like a Neapolitan style. Voila, so this one. The first ever pizza cooked like that. You imagine it when I start to make the pizzas nice, hot, still hot. Look at the smoke that is coming out. Still hot. We have a little hole right there, so don't worry. Put a little bit of basil and put the lid under. Go ahead, get this one and then put it right there. Oh my God, they are cooking. Just got outside and she got mad. What happened to the oven? What happened to the oven? You messed it up. 1, 2, 3. Boom, baby. Take a look of this pizza. Woo! Wow, guys. Hello from Maestro Vittorio Copelli and welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be fantastic, like you saw on the title. Hello. This is a video about a review about this magical, good-looking pizza oven. Why I say that? I mean, take a look of this beast. It looks fantastic, but here in this video you are going to see, and I'm going to see if really works fantastic how it looks, because I mean, this is what I'm impressed is that this oven, it's the material how they build it, the wood, the stand, the insulation of the oven that we're gonna go ahead and talk about in a little bit. Look, I can put my hands, and this oven has been on for about 2 hours, and then I can't even, I can touch it somewhere. Let's see the top. The top, it's of course is gonna be a little bit hot, but compared to other ovens, this is really important that you can touch it from outside. That means that the insulation, it's good. Before we start to talk about the oven, I mean, take a look. We have the pizza dough ready to go. It's outstanding. It's just calling me my name. Vito, when you gonna make the pizza? Vito, I wanna be made. Before everything, let's go ahead. Come with me. Let's talk about this oven. Let's see. What we're looking on the pizza oven is that the stone gets hot as soon as possible. So right now we have it's pretty hot everywhere because this is 750, 770. It's good. It's perfect for the bottom of the pizza. Actually, it's a little bit too hot, so I'm gonna lower down the flame, because here also you can go up and down with the temperature. Low temperature also here shows the oven temperature, but here right now is a Celsius. So we're gonna go ahead and change it to Fahrenheit because we are in United States of America. It says 752, 770, 760, 755, exactly like the thermometer of the oven says. So it's perfect to start the pizza. Also today we are going to use we're gonna make the first pizza with gas and the second pizza with wood. But before, we're gonna make the classic cheese margherita, cook it with gas, and then after, I'm going to show you, actually we're going to see if this oven, how it cooks 2 pizzas, because I'm gonna give it a hard time to this oven and see, because it's a really nice oven, and I wanted to do this review about this oven, so hopefully it will work how it looks, because it's a beast. So let's go ahead and let's make the margherita right now really quick. Of course, if you're new on my channel, go ahead, check out my channel, because everything is about the pizza, only for pizza lovers. I think I have the best pizza channel on YouTube, I don't know, because I'm really focusing on making the best pizza. So here you go, guys, the moment of the truth. It's coming. Hopefully you are watching right there. Gozney, hopefully you're watching. Thank you for creating this beast. Well, wait, I want to see how it cooks first before I say that. Little bit of tomato sauce in the center. Yes, voila. Pecorino romano right there. Pom, pom, pom. A little bit of fresh mozzarella. A little bit of olive oil right there. Boom. I like to put a little bit of pepper. Now, the moment it's here. Brand new, never used this oven. This is my first time. So, boom, brand new. Voila. Never did a try. This is a live review, guys. And you know, everybody try first, before, after. I go straight to the point. Let's go in the oven. Are you guys ready? Here you go, guys. I'm excited. I'm gonna put the pizza a little bit far, a little bit in the center. Boom, one shot. Voila. Lower down the flame. That's what I usually do in the gas oven. And let's give this beast a try. Voila. I'm not gonna edit the time. This is the first pizza ever cooking in this oven. So the time goes by himself. I repeat, this oven is brand new, never used it before, and you get used to it when you make the pizzas little by little. Oh man, it's cooking fantastic. When you're cooking the pizzas, you get to know the oven, so that's also important, and you become really good. Okay. Lower down the flame, otherwise it's gonna be too strong. Wow, 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 wow. I think Gozney got it. I think Gozney got it. I'm changing a little bit spot because again, the oven is brand new, so it needs to be cured a little bit more. I cure only for 1 day, but it's cooking. It's cooking fantastic. I don't want to scrape it. Wow. Wow. Woo. Getting there. Getting there. Again, I'm changing spot. This way the bottom of the pizza cooks. You don't want the bottom too hot. Otherwise it's gonna burn right now really quick. So now we can raise a little bit the flame. This is the first try of Gozney Dome pizza oven. Link on description. Very easy. I didn't read any manual. Pay attention how the pizza cooks. Okay, the pizza is about to be ready. Now I know a little bit the oven, so the next pizza is gonna be fantastic and lovely. Voila. 1, 2, 3. Boom, baby. Woo. Woo. Let me place it right now really quick on the board to show you. Don't stop the camera, don't stop anything. This way we show everybody that this is the pizza that come out from the oven. Voila. Let me stop this camera right there. Whoa. Okay guys, take a look. So this is the bottom of the pizza. Pizza come out crunchy, cook really well. I don't know how much time. This is the bottom of the pizza. I think it really cooked, uniform, outstanding. And again, this is just to try the pizza out. So let's go, let's put this on the side. Applause, applause for Gozney. You guys created a beast. Because if the first ever pizza cooked like that, you imagine it when I start to make the pizzas. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 pizzas and see how the oven will hold. So pay attention. 2 pizzas with gas. After this, I'm going to use the wood. So what I just did right now is I raised the flame at the max temperature. This way the bottom gets more hot because it was not too hot. And let's get the dough. And I'm gonna go ahead and make the 2 pizzas in one shot. 1 and 2. One. Remember, this video is about how the oven cooks the pizza, so don't judge the pizza. I know that the pizza is fantastic. Oh, well, it's okay, I'm joking, guys. So here we're gonna make one with the base of nice beautiful bolognese sauce. Nice, hot, still hot. Look the smoke that is coming out. Still hot. My wife just made it there in the kitchen. And this is a base of nice pesto. Extra. So I'm gonna make one meat and one veggie. Again, pecorino on top, fresh mozzarella. Voila. Fresh mozzarella on bolt. Look at that, look at that. And this pizza, we're gonna use some fried eggplant and fried zucchini on top, extra. Voila. Here we go. Let's go ahead, let's put the first one. I'm gonna make it the side of the peel. So let's go ahead and lower down the flame. Otherwise it's gonna burn it. I'm gonna put it all the way there. And the one, oh, we have a little hole right there, so don't worry, put a little bit of basil and put the lid under. Voila, little trick. A little bit of parmesan. Voila, let's go ahead, let's put the pizza in the oven. 1 and 2. Boom, baby! 2 pizzas in the oven. You see inside, the space is tight, but we'll see how it cooks. Beautiful base right there. Look what I do now. Pay attention. Because it's cooking faster, the bottom one. I'm gonna put this right there and move this one lightly because there's a little hole right there. I'm gonna put it in the same spot of the other one. Go ahead, get this one, and then put it right there. Oh my God, they are cooking fantastic. Little trick by Maestro Vittorio Copelli. Smash that like, let's go. We're gonna go gentle. We're gonna go gentle. Wow. Wow, are you recording right there? Don't stop. Don't stop, my friend. Don't stop. Get it, don't stop. And we are cooking this beast of pizzas 2 in 1 shot. It's ready. Oh, whoa, whoa. Got a little flame right there. Ready? The pizzas are ready. 3, 2, 1. Boom, baby. Whoa. 1. Lovely. And the second one. I got a little distracted because the little hole right there. But come here. Check this out. See the bottom? They come out good, huh? Not burn at all. Come out really good also on the bottom. Fantastic. Guys, before we start everything, I'm gonna go ahead and of course taste this one. Look at this. This is perfect. Look at it. One finger. Wow, nice and crunchy in the same time. It's 1 second before we start to taste. I mean, take a look. It's crunchy and soft in the same time. So let's go ahead. Let's taste this beast. Voila. Mm. Mm. So I know. Wait 1 second. The pizza is right here. So the good thing of having a gas oven and having the option of the gas is this. One is that easily you can go ahead and put the wood, lower down the flame. Go ahead and put the wood right there. This way it will warm up and light up by himself. The wood is light up right now. I'm gonna put one more. And of course, with when you have the wood inside, the space is tighter. So we're gonna go ahead with one, but this time I'm gonna make a big one, like a New York style. There we go, guys. I just turned it off the oven completely. Now is cooking fully with wood. Of course, it's gonna get a little bit black with wood, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. We're gonna try to keep all the same level on the non-crust, like a Neapolitan style. Voila. So this one, a little bit bigger, and see how it will cook. Tomato everywhere on the pizza. Extra Parmesan cheese, pecorino. Put a little bit of American cheese, shredded cheese, mixed with fresh mozzarella that I have. And of course we're gonna put extra because the pizza will cook a little bit lower Little bit of basil everywhere, like that. Little bit of pepper. And voila, olive oil extra. Now let's go ahead, let's put the pizza in the oven. So let's go ahead like this, clean up a little bit. Then also on this side here, it's a little hole where you can dump all the ash after. You can cook either wise, or right or left. You can put the pizza inside. Usually probably they made the little stone right there, this way you can cook the oven, the wood option on the side. But here guys, I do everything without watching the instruction, the manual. Let's go ahead, get the pizza. This is a little bit bigger, so we're gonna go ahead and put it outside the peel. Voila. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in one side. You can see it's plenty of space, the moment of the truth. If the wood option will be good. I can tell that, look at this, on the top here, it's space, so the door of the oven is small, so it keeps the temperature more, you have that pressure that cooks the pizza proper way. I'm really impressed. The pizza is about to be ready. Oh my God. Guys, come here, watch this pizza. Watch this pizza, we're gonna make it crispy. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready right there? Get this shot, my friend. Boom, here, I wanna see a like. 1, 2, 3. Boom, baby, take a look of this pizza. This one come out. I mean, I'm done, man. I'm done. Take a look, lightly. Lovely. Take a look at the bottom of this pizza. I don't even see it. You see it? Com'è? Buona, Pino?
Buonissima.
Mamma santa. Look at this. I mean, GOZNEY, the pizza. You are approved from Maestro Di Copelli. The pizza oven looks out of this. Come here, come on me. The pizza, it was cooked. How can I say? The oven works how it looks. Perfect. Good job, guys. I don't know if I missed something right here, but watch my next episode. This was my review of the GOZNEY, the GOZNEY dome, new gold from GOZNEY, the new dome, the new dome from GOZNEY. And with wood option, gas option, you guys saw 2 pizzas, 1 pizza with gas. I mean, what can I say? This was my first time making the pizza in this oven. Never made it before, never read the instruction, anything. I just went straight, no editing the time. You guys saw everything, even the mistakes. So, what can I say? Thank you so much for watching from Maestro Di Copelli, and hopefully you liked this video and was helpful for you. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this piece, and I'll see you at the next one, guys. I'm out. Oh my God, guys, I'm really enjoying the pizzas, but my wife just got outside and she got mad. What happened to the oven? What happened to the oven? You messed it up. You made it all dirty. Guys, I want to show you something. I said, don't worry, wifey. Don't worry, wifey. I'm here to clean. I'll show you. Metal, because the material of this oven, it smells really good. Look at this, like a magic. Stai guardando? Are you watching? Of course, the oven is hot. It's always suggested to do it when it's cold. Watch this, watch, see? It's coming out like brand new, right here in the front. It's a little hot. Watch. Come here, voila. I even became a cleaner. Woo! Voila. After this, I'm out. I'll see you at the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.